everybody, it's Lindsay from The Creative Arrow. I just wanted to hop in and give you guys some ideas for your art journals this week. I'm doing 3 different techniques using Scribble art. And my first technique that I'm going to show you is positive space scribble art. So this is where I draw something very lightly in pencil and then I scribble everything inside of that space. So I did a raven. This is based off of the Edgar Allan Poe, The Raven. I added a little piece from the poem in there as well. I started out with just a light pencil kind of sketch outline and then added some micron pen on top. You can use whatever pen you have, or if you want to use permanent marker or gel pens, that part is up to you. But it's just gonna be a fun little sketch. So I hope you love it. Let me know in the comments, and here it is. So much fun. The next thing we're gonna do is negative space. So this is gonna be exactly the opposite of everything that we just did. So I'm still gonna start out with a sketch outline, but this time I'm going to scribble everything in the background. So I'm gonna show you an example. Here is my negative space sketch art. So I started out with that light pencil outline of all of these things, and then I went in with my micron pen again and just scribbled everything around it. So negative space is everything around of the main subject. And then I was getting kind of, not bored, but I was just wanting something else more than just the moon and the ghost. So I did add this little gravestone, and I think it ended up being amazing. And then I had some space here at the bottom, so I added just a simple little phrase that kind of went with the images. So that's what we're gonna do next. Grab your pencil, grab your micron pen, flip to a new page, and let's get started. All right, so for our last idea, it is going to be still using scribbles, but we're gonna add some other mediums as well. So this is an idea that I actually found. I was sent this from a friend and it's just super cute. So it's not actually my original idea. This is by Tim Savitz. He is on Facebook. He does reels, and it is actually a scribble monster. So this is where you don't start out with any sketch or outline first, you just scribble. And since I knew kind of what I was going for ahead of time, I did kind of create some arms and maybe just kind of like a really easy, simple base. But yours can really just be a blob, or it can fill the whole page, and then you can use construction paper and whatever else you have available to cut out and paste and glue on top to create your facial features, eyes, horns, and whatever other kind of characteristics that you really want to add to give them personality and expressions and all that fun stuff. So this one actually ended up being one of my favorites. I'm going to do this with my children as well. I have a 2-year-old and a 6-year-old, and it's hard to come up with stuff for us to do together, but the 2-year-old can absolutely do this. So I'm really excited about that. Hopefully you guys love it, and let me know in the comments which one of the 3 was your favorite. I would also love to see everything you guys come up with, so you can share that in the comments as well. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.